Tired of crunches that hurt your neck and still don't flatten your belly? What if I told you there's a smarter way? No crunches, no equipment, and just 10 powerful moves you can do at home every single day. These aren't your boring gym class exercises, this is your new sculpting formula. If you're ready to melt fat, tighten your core, and finally see those abs pop, keep watching. Your transformation starts now. Before moving, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Let's be honest, everyone wants a flat stomach, but most people go straight to crunches only to end up with a sore back and zero results. The truth is, crunches are outdated. They only work a small part of your core, and they ignore the deeper, more powerful muscles that actually shape your waistline. That's why in today's video, I'm giving you something different: 10 powerful ab exercises you can do right at home without a single crunch. No equipment, no complicated moves, and absolutely no excuses. These exercises target your entire core, including your obliques, transverse abdominis, and even your lower belly, the area most people struggle with. Each move is designed not just to burn fat, but to activate your core from all angles, helping you build stability, strength, and that flat-toned look everyone notices. Whether you're a beginner or already working out, this daily 10 exercise routine will transform the way you train your abs. Plus, by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly what's holding back your progress and how to break through it. So get ready. This is more than just a workout. This is your flat stomach. Exercise 1. Standing knee to elbow twists. We're kicking things off with a full-body fat burner, standing knee to elbow twists. This move works your obliques, lower abs, and improves balance, all without hitting the floor. Stand tall with feet shoulder width apart, hands behind your head. Now bring your right knee toward your left elbow as you twist your torso. Return to center, then switch sides. Go at a steady, controlled pace. This isn't just cardio, it's focused core engagement. What makes this so powerful? It targets rotational movement, which is key to building a slimmer, stronger waistline. You're activating your internal and external obliques, the muscles that create that beautiful V shape at the sides of your abs. Plus, standing movements burn more calories and help improve posture and coordination. Aim for 30 reps, total 15 per side. Keep your core tight the entire time and exhale as you twist. You should feel the burn by rep 10. That's your signal you're doing it right. This one's beginner friendly but powerful enough to become a staple in your daily ab routine. Ready to move on? Let's target those deep core muscles next. Exercise 2. Plank to toe taps. Next up, we're taking it to the mat, but still no crunches. It's time for plank to toe taps, a dynamic move that strengthens your entire core, especially your lower abs and shoulders. Start in a high plank position, hands under shoulders, body in a straight line. From here, lift your right foot and tap it out to the side. Bring it back, then tap with your left foot. Keep alternating. Simple? Yes, but don't let that fool you. This move engages every muscle in your core while challenging your stability and endurance. What's happening here is magic. Every time you lift and tap your foot, your abs fight to stabilize your body, especially the lower abdominal wall. And because you're in a plank, your shoulders, arms, and chest are working too. This means more calories burned, more fat lost. Go for 30 to 40 seconds, keeping your hips low and your core braced like a brick wall. No sagging, no wobbling. By the end, your core will be on fire and you'll be one step closer to a tight, defined stomach. Let's keep the heat going with the next move. Exercise 3. High knee. Let's boost your heart rate and light up your core with high knee pulls, an energetic standing move that targets belly fat and strengthens your abs without touching the floor. Here's how: stand tall, arms extended overhead. Now drive your right knee up while pulling both arms down as if grabbing something. Think of crunching in mid-air. Return to standing and repeat on the left side. This explosive movement mimics a crunch, but in a full body upright motion. You're engaging your upper and lower abs, plus getting a cardio boost that helps you burn calories faster. Do 30 reps total, alternating sides. Go fast for fat burn, but stay controlled for core engagement. Keep your spine straight and exhale every time your knee comes up. This is the type of movement that not only shapes your waistline, but also boosts your metabolism. It's perfect for both beginners and advanced levels, and it requires zero equipment. Add a small hop to intensify it. You're not just working out, you're training to reveal those abs. Let's go deeper now. Time to test your core control. Exercise 4. Bear crawl shoulder taps. Meet the bear crawl shoulder tap, a killer combo of core strength, coordination, and cardio, all packed into one floor-based power move. Get down on all fours, knees just a few inches off the ground in a hovering tabletop position. Keep your back flat and core tight. Now lift your right hand to tap your left shoulder, then your left hand to tap your right shoulder, all while keeping your body steady. This isn't just about shoulder work, it's a total core stabilizer. Your abs are constantly firing to prevent rotation. It torches your transverse abdominal abdominis, obliques, and even glutes. It also mimics animal movement patterns, which means it burns fat faster because your entire body is working together. Start with 20 taps, total 10 each side, and make sure there's minimal swaying in your hips. That's how you know your core is doing its job. This movement is explosive, challenging, and incredibly effective for flattening your belly. Let's keep going, the burn is just getting started. Exercise 5. Jump squats. We're firing up your core, legs, and metabolism with jump squats, a full-body fat blaster that also targets your lower belly like a pro. Start with your feet shoulder width apart and hands clasped in front of your chest. Lower down into a deep squat, keep your chest lifted, back straight, and abs tight. Now explode upward into a controlled jump, reaching for the sky. Land softly, bend your knees, and immediately drop into your next squat. Each jump contracts your entire core, especially the lower abs, while your legs do the heavy lifting. This movement activates your fast twitch muscles, spikes your heart rate, and triggers serious fat burn, all without a single crunch. Keep the pace controlled, don't just bounce. Focus on quality, not speed. Engage your belly every time you push off the ground. That's where the flat ab magic happens. Do this for 45 seconds, then rest for 15. If jumping's too much, modify it with pulse squats, you'll still feel the burn. You're halfway through, stay with me. The stronger you finish, the faster those abs pop. Exercise 6. Plank hip dips. Welcome to the chiseling king of planks, the plank hip dip. This exercise sculpts your entire midsection with a heavy emphasis on the obliques and lower abs. Start in a forearm plank, elbows under shoulders, body in a straight line. Now rotate your hips to the right, gently tapping the floor. Then rotate to the left. Keep alternating. Think of your hips as a pendulum, controlled, deliberate, and always tight through the core. This movement hits the deepest core layers while increasing rotation and stability, key factors for flattening your belly and tightening your waist. It's also excellent for building endurance, so you can hold that core tension longer during any workout. Aim for 20 to 30 dips total. Breathe rhythmically and keep your shoulders relaxed. Feeling the burn? That's your waistline shrinking in real time. Ready for more? Let's keep it going. Exercise 7. Standing oblique. Let's bring the heat to your waistline with standing oblique, a powerful move that sculpts your side abs, tightens your core, and melts away belly fat fast. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart and hands behind your head like you're about to do a crunch, but this one's standing. Now lift your right knee up and out to the side as you crunch your right elbow down to meet it. Focus on squeezing the side of your waist. Return to standing and repeat on the same side for 15 reps, then switch. This isn't just movement, this is muscle activation. Each drive contracts your obliques and lower abs while improving balance, posture, and body control. Want a boost? Add a quick hop between reps to spike your heart rate and burn more fat. Repeat 2 rounds per side. Keep it slow and focused for deeper engagement. This is how you build that tight athletic waist without touching the floor. Now that your sides are on fire, let's target the lower belly and finish strong. Exercise 8. Jumping jack. Let's jack up your metabolism with jumping jack, a hybrid move that's fun, fast, and fires up your abs like crazy. Start with a standard jumping jack, arms up, legs out, but on every second jump, drive one knee up toward your chest like a high knee, then return to jack. Keep alternating knees after every jump. This movement combines the fat-burning power of cardio with the core sculpting motion of knee drives, making it a double duty of destroyer. The key is intensity. The faster you go while staying in control, the more belly fat you burn. Keep your core tight and land softly to protect your joints. Aim for 40 seconds of non-stop movement followed by a 15-second rest. Repeat twice if you want to supercharge your results. This one gets your blood pumping, your abs burning, and your results accelerating. Now let's hit your lower belly one last time before we finish. Exercise 9. Burpees. If there's one move that torches belly fat, fires up your entire body, and blasts your core, it's the king of all bodyweight exercises, the burpee. Start by standing tall. Lower into a squat, place your hands on the floor, and kick your feet back into a high plank. Engage your core tightly to hold that straight line. This is your core's time to shine. Then jump your feet back in and explode upward into a jump. That's 1 rep. Burpees are intense, and that's exactly why they work. In just one move, you're combining cardio, core strength, and explosiveness. They elevate your heart rate, which helps your body burn fat even after the workout ends, a process called the afterburn effect. Each rep requires full body coordination and serious core stability. Keep your belly tight as you jump back and forth. This turns each burpee into an ab-focused fat melter. Do 10 to 15 reps with full effort, rest 30 seconds, and repeat if you're feeling strong. This move alone can reshape your core and burn serious calories, making it the perfect finishing move for your no-crunch ab workout. One more to go, let's finish strong. Exercise 10. skater jumps. Let's finish this challenge with explosive energy. Skater jumps are your final move, and they're the perfect blend of agility, balance, and core control. Start by standing tall, then leap to the right, landing softly on your right foot while swinging your left leg behind you like a speed skater. Stay low, keep your chest up, and instantly explode to the left, landing on your left foot and swinging your right leg behind. Each side-to-side jump lights up your obliques, glutes, and stabilizing muscles while your core stays tight to keep your balance. This lateral motion forces your abs to work harder than in traditional moves because now you're training like an athlete. Keep the movement fluid but powerful. The lower you stay in your landing, the more your abs and legs engage and the more calories you'll melt. It's like doing a full body ab workout while jumping through fire. Push for 45 seconds, then breathe it out. You did it. You've just finished 10 no-crunch high-impact standing moves that can transform your waistline. No floor, no excuses. Stay consistent and those flat abs are yours. You just completed 10 of the most effective ab sculpting exercises without doing a single crunch. These moves go beyond surface muscles. They target the real core, the deeper layers that flatten your stomach, improve posture, and give you a strong sculpted waist. And the best part? You did it all at home without equipment and without hurting your neck or lower back. Here's the key: consistency. Don't just do this workout once and expect miracles. Repeat this routine daily, or at least 4 to 5 times per week. Combine it with walking, water, and mindful eating, and you'll start seeing and feeling a real difference in just a few weeks. If you found this routine helpful, do me a quick favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment flat ABS below so I know you're serious about transforming your core. I read every comment, and your feedback helps me keep creating content that helps you get results. Also, don't stop here. Check out my playlist of no crunch ab workouts, belly fat blasters, and home fat burning challenges to take your fitness to the next level. This is your time. Your transformation starts today. Stick with it, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next workout.